It's mile 1 of this trip. I'm having a lot of trouble adjusting to the altitude. Everybody's ahead of me, somewhere over there. I'm hoping I can recover, and if I don't, I'll have to turn around. The plan is to go to Stanford. If I don't feel great, I'll probably just go to Independence up there. The beautiful center basin, University Pass. Feeling a little better. I passed the rest of the group. They are somewhere at the bottom of the pass over there. The objective is over there. Mount Stanford.
Oh my God.
Rock.
Bye, Rock.
The mountain is coming apart.
There's my mountain. The team and I separated. I don't know where they're at. Somewhere back there. But I want this summit. And I'm gonna go for it. I don't know where my team is. I don't see them anywhere. I waited down there for about an hour. No sign of them. So I'm gonna go up on my own. It's gonna be a rough one. There is our chute. Whoops. To the summit of Stanford. Got about 500 feet to the summit.
Only one who's done this year.
Jose, put on your cap.
Let's get this on video. How you feeling, Jose?
Good.
Feeling good?
Well, exhausted.
You look good too.
I know.
I know.
How are you feeling?
Great.
Yeah, right, liar. How are you feeling, Rob?
Just leave
Tired.
me here. Just leave me here to die.
For reals. Now
Hey,
we
did you
gotta
guys hear the screaming though?
walk all the way over there.
Screaming?
The screaming.
No.
Like really loud screams, like Llorona type screams. I'm over there.
Llorona type
No.
scream.
Really?
For a second I got scared because you guys are not
Responding to my
responding.
caballos.
And then
There's no way we can respond. You guys are way too far away. Couldn't even hear anything.
This thing's pretty awesome.
I was telling Lorenzo that I can't follow him. He climbs up all the slabs and shit. I have to take the little zigzag. Right here is not that good. The other side is better.
turn off the camera. I get nervous.
Okay, it's off. Go farther down more.
Huh?
No, para allá.
That way?
Mm-hmm.
And that one? The bottom one?
Yep.
This one looks kind of nice though.
Nope.
Up over there, it cliffs off, huh?
Uh-huh. This is terrible.